All right, so here is the spaghetti uncooked. Now give me a second and it'll be cooked just like magic. Okay, so we should have the spaghetti ready soon. One serving or 56 grams is 180 calories, of which 1.5 is fat for the serving, and 1.5 grams, I mean. 1 gram of that is polyunsaturated. It doesn't list the other half gram because the USDA doesn't require anything of half a gram, of less than half a gram to be listed, which is frustrating because we can't see if there's actually trans fats in a small amount. No cholesterol or sodium. 39 grams of fat with 5 grams of dietary fiber, so a total of 34 grams of fat. I'm sorry, carbs. Oh my God, 39 grams of carbs, 5 grams of fiber in that, 2 grams of sugar, none of which are added, and 9 grams of protein. Hold on. Okay, so the noodles are done, and unlike before, they look almost like normal, or rather non-whole wheat noodles. You can barely see the color difference that was so evident when it was raw. Sweeter than regular noodles. That's probably because the brand actually has some sweetness to it. Like if you eat bran flakes, like plain bran flakes, not the bran flakes that Raisin Bran, because that's got tons of sugar in it added. If you just eat plain bran flakes, like I did a grainberry review, look at that one. You will notice that bran is sweet. Not like as super sweet, but it's kind of like cinnamon is kind of sweet, which you probably never noticed unless you have cinnamon tea. So yeah, this has got a mild sweetness to it. Tastes mostly like pasta, a little bit of a different flavor, but it's a good difference. I will warn you, if you are not eating enough fiber, eating a lot of whole grain anything is going to give you diarrhea. Not because it's detoxifying your body, that's nonsense. Not because it's bad for you unless you have gluten intolerance or a celiac disease, but because you're going from a low fiber diet to a high fiber meal and your body is in shock. You don't have a lot of bacteria in your guts to properly deal with that fiber, so you're going to have a lot of gas and a lot of diarrhea. I did that once by mistake. Well, more than once, if I'm being honest. I did it with brown rice. I did it with whole wheat noodles. So just warning you in advance. That's what's going to happen. So I would suggest if you are trying to step up your fiber intake, do it gradually. Start with with 90% of the regular stuff, and then 10% of the whole grain stuff, and then you take a step, an 80-20, 70-30, 60-40, 50-50, and so on and so forth. And you can do that over a period of 10 days or 20 days, whatever. If you notice that you're getting too bloated and gassy and diarrhea, slow it down. Take a few days off of increasing it. Find a comfortable pace for your body, for your microbiome in your guts. All right. So I'm going to give this a 9. This is really good. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.